Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick review for something that is a wonderful piece of home workout equipment. That is the starpower foldable treadmill that I have right here. This treadmill is really affordable, it is a mobile, and it is super user friendly for anyone that does any sort of work from home. If you want a compact, easy solution to stay active throughout the day, this is it.
Right out of the box, this treadmill comes pretty much fully assembled. You'll need 2 people to carry it in, but afterwards setup is super easy. It takes just about 15 minutes and all you have to do is follow the instruction manual.
Fully assembled now, you can tell it is really compact. It's just about my size and I'm not very large. But these columns also right here are actually completely foldable, so it's even more compact if you want to store it or keep it in a tight space.
Okay, now looking more specifically at the treadmill, it has a large running belt and sturdy construction. Comes out to be just around 16.5 inches wide and 45.5 inches long. It features a double layer running board for the most real running experience, like running on a rubber track, and there's also these rubber foot mats that are great shock absorbers as well. To start up this treadmill, all you have to do is plug it in and press that power button. Once on, there's an LCD monitor on the electronic panel that helps you control your speed and track all of the important metrics. It comes preset with 3 miles per hour and 6 mile per hour settings for easy access, and then you can speed it up or down with the plus and minus buttons. Once you're up and running, the LCD display tracks your speed in miles per hour, distance in miles, running time, and calories burned, rotating every 5 seconds. The panel itself also comes with 2 handy cup holders and a phone stand. And here I am actually running on this treadmill. Speed-wise, the treadmill features a powerful 3 HP motor that allows it to run from 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour. Even on the highest setting, which I am building up to right here, the treadmill stays pretty quiet, as you can see right here. The treadmill itself is also made of premium steel, which can hold up to 300 pounds and provides super stability. Personally, my favorite part of this machine is how compact and mobile it is. It's super easy to fold down the columns, just like this, and it does go all the way down. And then there are also wheels at the front. That means I can easily roll the treadmill around, so I can store the treadmill here or anywhere I want easily and even move it to my living room for a change of scenery.
Alright guys, and real quickly here, I do want to introduce you guys to starpower's newest innovative treadmill. This treadmill will be coming out soon, and it is updated and has a lot of new features. One of the new features of this treadmill is that you can actually connect it to starpower's very own app called PitPat. And on this app, you can run with other users, either just to complete the run with company or to compete to win monetary rewards. And you can also run in a lot of different modes, PK mode, milestone run, group run, whatever it may be. You'll also get a free smart bracelet upon purchase. So if you want to check out this launch, you can follow starpower's Facebook and Instagram. They are linked down below. The launch will be on August 11th, so save the date. But in the meantime, check out this one. So if you're looking for an affordable way to stay active whenever from the comfort of your own home, I highly recommend checking out starpower's foldable treadmill. You can find the link in the description down below. And as always, if you do have any more questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section below and I will get to them. You can find my other product reviews also linked right here. And otherwise, thank you guys for tuning in today and I will see you next time.